Ina Garten's Asian grilled salmon is hands down the best salmon recipe I've ever had. But today, instead of firing up the grill, we're tossing it in the air fryer. We're taking this easy 5 ingredient dish and making it even easier. Let's see if this hack would still be Jeffrey approved. First up, we're making the marinade, which also doubles as the sauce. Just 4 simple ingredients: good olive oil, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, and some chopped or grated garlic. Now, here's the fun part. Oil and water don't mix, but oil and mustard, they're besties. They emulsify with almost no effort, giving you a smooth, flavorful marinade that pulls double duty. Now for Ina's brilliant trick. Use half the marinade on the raw fish and reserve the other half to spoon over the cooked salmon as a sauce. This guarantees a moist and flavorful result. Marinate that salmon for 10 minutes while we preheat the air fryer. The salmon goes in the basket. We're cooking it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. No turning back now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy air fryer recipes. I slide out the basket, and honestly, it looks incredible. The top has a beautiful caramelized glaze, it smells amazing. Visually, it's a complete success. But the taste is what matters. The fork test, it separates into perfect moist flakes. We spoon on that reserve sauce and take the first bite. The flavor is all there. It's a fantastic piece of salmon. You'll miss a tiny bit of grill smoke, but it's a shockingly effective alternative. So would Jeffrey approve? I think he'd be secretly thrilled that dinner was ready in 8 minutes. We took a classic, gave it a modern spin, and didn't ruin it. If you want to see more air fryer experiments, subscribe and let me know what I should do next. How easy was that?